Hey everyone. Welcome back to Car Release TV. Are you ready to dive into the future of one of the most iconic sports sedans ever made? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the all-new 2026 BMW 3 Series. From its bold design to its cutting-edge technology, this car is set to redefine what a sports sedan can be. So, buckle up and let's get into it. The 2026 BMW 3 Series is here, and it's kicking off the 8th generation of this legendary sports sedan. While BMW is making waves with its electric version, the i3, the classic gasoline-powered model, is still the heart of the lineup. Drawing inspiration from the stunning Neue Klasse concept, the new 3 Series boasts a bold, modern design that's sure to turn heads. Inside, BMW is taking things to the next level. Expect a sleek wide dashboard display and an infotainment system designed to elevate your driving experience. The cabin is rumoured to feature premium materials, supportive seats, and a spacious layout that balances comfort and practicality. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, the 2026 3 Series promises to deliver. Under the hood, BMW is keeping the details under wraps for now, but we know the brand will continue to offer its signature turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines. These powertrains have been the backbone of the 3 Series for years, delivering thrilling performance and razor-sharp handling. And for those who crave even more power, the high-performance M3 will return, available with both gasoline and electric options. While we don't have official performance figures yet, the 2026 3 Series is expected to live up to BMW's reputation for precision and excitement. With improved aerodynamics and engineering, this model will likely offer better efficiency without sacrificing the driving dynamics that make the 3 Series so special. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 BMW 3 Series the ultimate sports sedan of the future? Let us know in the comments.